Hi guys, I'm Kamonohashi. Welcome to my Japanese lecture on YouTube, Japanese lecture by Kamonohashi. Today's lecture is short lecture. Could you say this in Japanese? Today's theme is about, by the way, now the month of June, and in Japan, June is, Japanese Tsuyu season. Tsuyu. What is Tsuyu? Tsuyu is how should I explain? Really humid season. Perhaps this is very unique season. And next to June, July, the 7th month, July. What's this season? Season is summer season. Speaking of summer season, go to sea. And now I want to ask you, what is the largest sea all over the world? Yes, it is the Pacific Ocean. And this is today's theme actually. The Pacific Ocean. Could you say Pacific Ocean in Japanese? Could you say the Pacific Ocean in Japanese? Taiheiyo. Okay, I explain each this 1, 2, 3 kanji. The kanji of Tai means fat. We can say fat in Japanese. Futoi, fat. And also this kanji used for meaning of large, big, any size of big. And kanji of hei. In another writing, hiratai means flat. And yo. This kanji means sea or ocean. So according to the each kanji, flat and flat sea, it is the Pacific Ocean. Actually, Taihei. Actually, this Japanese word means Pacific. The meaning of Pacific is very resembled to peace. Peaceful. Pacific is very resembled to peace. And Pacific in Japan, Taihei. But in my case, in Kamonohashi case, I haven't used this Japanese word Taihei in my life before. I've never used this word in my life. But if you want to express peace, heiwa. I have used this word in my life any times, but I haven't used this way, Taihei. Perhaps I think this is a word for writing, and heiwa is word for writing and writing and talking for both sides. Okay, the Pacific Ocean in Japanese, Taiheiyo. Now, how was that lecture? That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
Thank you for your watching. Let's subscribe Kamonohashi channel. Check another Kamonohashi's stuffs on the web. See you next lecture.